here is the tutorial for how to edit the back end of a WordPress website. This is the dashboard. This is the page you're going to come to first after you go to that login link and put in your username and password, which I will send you if I haven't yet. The next thing that you're going to do after you get to this dashboard is probably go to Pages. Pages, posts, and media are going to be the main things you'll ever be in. The lower you go on this list here, the less likely you are to have to ever be touching it, as this is really where that code lives in the website. So Pages is going to be the most common place you'll want to look. This is if you want to make a simple text change or a photo, add new content, delete something. You can even add a new page. This is where you're going to go for that. So, as an example, we're going to look at the About Us page on this website. Divi just means that we're using the Divi theme, which is what you can see here, it's what we've used on the whole website. So you're going to find the page that you want after you click on Pages and click Edit. You always do the edit, not that quick edit one. And then I always click here and just do preview changes. Even if you know what you're going to do, it's a good habit to get into. It's going to open it in a new tab, and then from there you can see exactly what we already have on this website, on this page. So then when you click back to the other tab, you can see the back end of it. So if we're looking at, scroll up, you can see there's some text and a button. You can see here it says text and a button. The only place you're ever going to have to edit is these gray boxes, these gray modules. So the blue, the green, and the purple are all just the overall kind of parent theme styling of the website. So margins, spacing, mobile formatting, things like that. So you're going to want to go to the gray box, and if you hover over it, you'll see it says Module Settings. Click on that, and then now you're in so you can edit the text. If you see little bits of code here, you're just going to want to click over to Visual. You can edit it via there, but it's just not as simple. So if you want to change About Us to be About Our Team, you just can type in here like a Word document. What I always do is copy this and scroll down to Admin Label and then paste it in. The admin label is only internally, so this is only something that you're going to see. It's not going to show up on the front end, but it helps you when you're scrolling through, because some pages will have 50 of these little boxes. You'll be able to see where you're at on the page more easily. Then you're just going to go back, click Preview Changes again. It's going to go back to that other page, and you can see we were editing About Us, and now it's About Our Team. So if you like how that looks, you would go here and click Update. If you don't like how it looks, I would just refresh. I just did Control-R on my computer. And now nothing is saved. So now you can see here, you can disregard this, but now you can see that nothing's changed. If we click back in, it's just the About Us. One important thing to note on this, besides the preview and the update button, is there's this green checkbox that says, I think, Save Changes. That one only saves that module. So if you exit it out, nothing would actually be saved. You'd have to, this is the only way that the changes are published. If you want to edit a button, again, you just click that little settings wheel. This is the text that's showing up on the button. This is the link where it's going to. You can pick if you want it to open in a new tab or the same window. And then the admin label would be button that says blah, blah, blah. So this is, again, just for your sake in the back end here. All right, the media. This is the photo album, basically, the photo gallery in the back end of the website. So anything that you upload, even if it's a little icon like this or something that we've uploaded, is going to be here in the back end. You're going to have a lot of storage. You're not going to need to worry about deleting these. If you want to delete something, if you know it's not being used, you're more than welcome to, but you definitely don't need to. If you're going to be uploading a photo on the website, you can either click Add New and select from your computer, or when you're on a page, let's see, say we'll edit the contact us page. And this is just your preference on what works better. You can click add new module, scroll down, hit image, and then you can add an image. So this is just that same media library we just saw. So you can have already uploaded it, or you can upload it to the media library, and then it will show up on the website. Just whatever one you prefer. Those are the main things you're ever going to want to be looking at in the back end. The last thing is just posts. This is if you have a blog on your website. They function just the same as pages. They're just called posts. You probably won't have to worry about that, but it is there in case you want to use that. Hopefully that helps, and just reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.